So I don't know why I'm taking pictures when I can video it.
Well, yeah.
Don't stand in my way. You might shoot something. Ew, Jennifer. Dropping water and tears on me.
I can really... Amber.
What?
I moved back here and all I can see is the tree.
Look, Jennifer.
Oh, I'll watch it through the camera.
I can't see it.
I wasn't sure.
Oh, I see that from down here. That's cool. I was hoping it would go in your mouth. Eddie.
I think those are
Eddie.
the fireworks.
Whoa.
How long does the video last?
I think it's an hour video. That thing.